The following tutorial goes over how you can modify deadlines in your Dropbox in D2L. This can be very helpful because you may have a student that has documented disability that may need extensions for their assignments. So, in order to accommodate students in this situation, what we will want to do is click on the assessment link. From here, click on Dropbox. In your Dropbox, click next to the Dropbox that you would like to edit. From here, select Edit Folder. Now we want to click on the Restrictions tab. From here, we should see a list of start dates and end dates. We want to keep note of the end date of April 2nd. Scroll down under the Special Access heading. Make sure Allow users with special access to submit outside the normal availability dates for this folder is selected. Click the Add Users to Special Access button. From here, we can modify the end date. So let's go ahead and give the student an extra week to submit the material. Next, we can select the users that we want to allow these additional accommodations. So we're going to select next to our demo student. Then click the Save button. Now you can see the users that have been given special access to the Dropbox assignment. Click the Save and Close button.